Hi guys, nandito kami ulit sa Alaminos sa 100 Islands. So dito kami nagstay sa Spotlight Hotel. So meron kaming bisita na taga from Mexico. Gusto nyo raw makita to. Ayan, nandito kami. Ayan, so mag-breakfast muna kami. Meron kasi itong hotel na to, may breakfast na rin dito. So syempre pag pupunta kayo ng 100 Islands, kailangan nyo itry ang langgunisa ng Alaminos. So order din ako ng pasta. At syempre yung kaibigan namin na taga ibang bansa, American breakfast. So meron sila both. Actually yung mga seafoods nila dito kahapon masarap din. Talagang hindi siya overcook kaya ubus namin eh. Yun lang namin na videohan. Tsaka kasama namin si Glenn syempre kaya talagang ubus. Pati laman, balat. Ito na po yung bisita natin, si Talia. Si Renya. Ano yung breakfast niya? Favorite balls. You wanna try it? The balls? It's brown balls. You like it? Try natin sa kanya itong langgunisa. Let's see. So, usually, this is like one of the typical breakfasts. Oh, you don't like the white. You like the white of the eggs, right?
It's okay without the egg.
Is that okay without the egg? Okay, here. Put a little bit of vinegar and then you eat it with rice. Yeah. Is there something similar in Mexico?
Chorizo.
Chorizo. See, oh yeah. I forgot about the chorizo. Lisa, try it.
But don't put the vinegar.
You don't like vinegar?
No.
Grabe.
No, I didn't make
Iba yung lasa ng vinegar in Mexico, right? Yeah. Kaya magkapan malasa. Kaya hindi lang sa sanay. Kasi iba yung chorizo nila. Yan, kapag pupunta kayo ng Alaminos, Spotlight, check nyo yung lugar. Kasi talagang 1 kilometer away lang siya. Tapos, ang bait pa ng mga stop, grabe. Tapos yung pagkain nila, masarap talaga, no? Grabe. Yung mga siglen, no? Pagsalita po subis. 4 na kanin siya, mga kapag.
Di, wow.
So, huwag ka namin tayo. Dito na kami. Literally, kakasakay lang namin. Ito na. Pag nandito na kayo, punta muna kayo dito sa tourism office. Para may mga fees, environmental and stuff. Tapos dito na rin yata yung boat. Mayroon silang maliit, may malaki. You know, depende kung kailan kayo. I think yung small boat nila good for 5 person. So, yun ang kukunin namin. So, hopefully, kasya naman si Glenn. Oh, Lucy. So, ito yung mga rates nila. Oh, there's a small boat. Oh, no, that's 10. Yan, environmental fee 80, entrance fee 30, carriage fee 10. Ito yung tour guide yung boat. So, maganda kung marami para share, diba? So, 1 day lang small is 1.6. So, yan, 1.6 yung boat, 80 yung entrance, security deposit like 200 pesos para sa trash, and so, kung 5 kayo, that's okay, kaya ng boat. Yeah,
Station daw.
boat station na after. Ayan. So, these are all the islands, so you can see a little bit of it. Governor's Island, Virgin Islands, you can't go there. Neither. And there's koi fish all over. Wow, that's so cool. Oh, they give you the boat name, and then you go to the boat station. I mean, this is like just where they assign who's the boat. So we're looking for Lady Jane. Here are the boats. Well, first time. I'll push you. Ayan, so yung sa boat, included na yung best. Pero kung gusto nyo ano lang siya, para sa boat lang siya, hindi ka pwede na pang swimming. So kung gusto nyo na kailangan hindi kayo marunong lumangoy, gusto nyo ng best para sigurado pag snorkeling kayo or whatever, rent lang kayo sa dock mismo. 50 pesos per best.
Ano ka ngayon?
If you want. What, you want to see Jesus?
No. I mean, yes, but not yet.
Not yet. Sige, tama tayo. Tayo pala dito, naalala ko lang yung Pilgrims. Yung bago lang to, ano kuya?
Opo.
Ito na, ito last time. Thank you. Len, may mga bago pala eh.
Hindi, wow.
I wanted to go there sa bonsai kasi hindi pa ako nakapunta ron last time. Please hurry up in Spanish. Right? Please. Okay, thank you kuya. So we're gonna start with this new one. But I haven't been to the bonsai one too, so we'll see about it. It's only Glenn walking. Ito yung nagustuhan niya eh, daing, bangus. Ito. See? Oh, there's a lot.
Oh, it's long. It's a long fish.
It's long? That's what I like.
No.
I brought her here for this reason. She can hold my umbrella. Yeah, so this is like new. Last time kayo pumunta rito, wala siya. I've never seen this before.
I'm tired.
Cupido?
Cupido.
Oh, Cupido.
That's stupido.
Mulawig. Suro. Teka. Okay.
Pagod na ako, gugutom na ako.
Ito pala yung pinapanig natin eh. Ha?
Piling ko kakain lang natin pero nagugutom na ako.
Grabe.
Mali, pero sa boat na lang ako.
Hindi pa nakikita itong bonsai eh. In a few months, babalik na naman tayo dito. So, isa lang muna. Wow! Ang ganda, grabe.
Just jump.
Pagpanik nyo dito. Ganda. Ganda oh. Ganda. Ayan oh. Oh. Tapos hindi ka pala makapasok dito, may salamin. Hanggang dito ka lang. Para safety. Ano, kaya pa? Buhay pa. Niloko lang kayo guys, mababa lang.
Baba lang mga 1,000 hakbang.
Huwag kayo yan.
Ito yung taas. At dito si Cupido, ingat lang kayo. Marami na nabiktima yan. Ayan guys, 5-minute na hike, 15-minute na break. You guys good now?
Gunggong! Barinig kita sa mukha eh!
Like hiking. Sa ibabaw, like, it's kind of like shady. Medyo may mga shades dito sa taas. Hello? Do you actually know bonsai? Bonsai, these are like huge trees. So they compact it to like a small one. So it's just like tiny version.
Ang galing mo pala dyan ah! Hindi ko naman.
And this one, This one, you touch it, it's
like
fertilizer. No, it's not. It's not. You want to smell it? Just
It's food.
it's not.
Poop. They use food like that.
Not poop. Taste it.
Taste the shoe.
So, may banyo dito guys. Tapos sa parang observation deck yata yun eh. So, parikin namin mamaya. Pero, eto, maganda sa bonsai, meron siyang spot na pwede kang bumaba sa tubig. Tapos walang ibang tao. Diba?
You wanna try something like that?
No, I don't wanna try it
No,
here.
okay.
You wanna try it here?
Try
Just
what?
because there's no one here?
What
What are you talking about? I don't know. What are you talking about?
Wow naman! Wow!
No, this is behind.
Talian nyo!
Yan. It's nice. There's a big snake right there, but nothing to worry about. Nice. It's too big. Totoo nga sinabi ni Glenn, nakala ko siya kasi mabaho yan. Foul odor comes. So it's not Glenn. It says the foul odor comes from Bangar tree.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Not on my part.
Okay. Bayad pala 5 peso pero wala nang nagbabantay. Nabubulag si Glenn pag may ganun eh. Hindi niya nakita rin may bayad pala. What is this? Sampalok? Dude, this is crazy.
Ay.
Lalo na siguro kung marunong ka talaga sa mga puno, ma-appreciate mo talaga ito. Dami oh. Mga donated.
Donated yun. Mahal yan.
Kaya nga eh.
Mahal gumawa niyan.
I remember they said it's pricey.
The what?
You brought your bag?
The what?
It's expensive
thing?
to
Oh.
make it.
It's like 100,000
Yeah.
Yeah.
to a million.
So all you need is 3, one each.
Hindi ko alam ah.
Yeah. You know
Wait.
tamarind? Palo.
Why is it like that?
Because they make it miniature.
Oh.
They're putting the wire so it prevents from growing.
Oh, they make it.
There's a bunch of giant clams right here. Kita ang linaw ng tubig eh. Tapos dito yung mga sa bandang coast. Dito yung mga bilihan ng mga kung gusto nyo ng mga drinks. Let's go. Mga pang merienda. Oh, they have coffee. Yeah.
How do you pronounce island? Isla.
Isla. Yeah.
Isla?
It's the same?
Yeah.
Isla. Yung masarap yung mga alimasag ka ganun eh. Fresh na fresh. Ano kakainin mo dito? Hirap. Libre luto pa. Tara. May 4 na pala. Pila natin si Kuya.
With the flowers? I know the
Buti na lang talaga meron silang mga refreshment dito. So, ako naman parang hindi kasi ako mahilig yung mga mag-camping tapos magdadala pa ng mga pagkain ganun. So, dito naman reasonable yung mga price nila. Parang ito 50 pesos. So, dito na lang mo yung merienda. Kumain na lang kami ng heavy meal nung maga.
You get
Tapos pagbalik. Wala ka ng buhat-buhat. Wala na masyado hassle.
Pineapple here?
Wala sa ibang bansa niya na ice cream na nasago. Yan, on to the next. So dito pala yung mga zipline, tapos may mga rental din sila ng mga parang boat or whatever.
What is that?
Oh, they have beer. I don't think so. Man. Bring your own beer pala. Hindi na naalala ngayon. Wow. I'm waiting for you. Come on. Let's go over here. Ayan yung Virgin Island. Ito ano? Marganza. Marganza. And then sa kanan naman sir, yung nandun po. Mayor's Island sir. Mayor's Island. Mayor's Island. Yan. So Virgin Island, Mayor's Island. Ito naman Mayor's Island sir. Sir, ito naman po Romulo Island sir. Ito po ginawa yung marina ni Miss Colonel Barito. Ah, marina ni
Hindi totoo yan.
I see.
Bola lang yan.
Yun pala yung movie pala ni Claudine Barreto. Dito rin mga sirena sila. Pwede ba tayo pumunta dito kayo?
Pwede naman po.
Sige, dito tayo.
Ba kayo dyan eh?
Ayan. So kung maingay kanina, ito daw yung dati may pelikula si Claudine Barreto ng mga sirena pa daw sila. Ay guys, katapos namin mag-snorkel, hindi ko sinadala isang GoPro pero okay din, maraming isda. Saka maganda dito talaga. Kung beginner ka, makapunta ka agad kasi mababaw lang. Tapos yung tubig, saka maraming asin, so tinutulak ka pataas. So kung baguhan ka, madali kang pagpupulog. Tapos parang may mga paglilit na kuweba. Ayan.
Na-try mo na ba sa kuweba?
Oo, na-try ko na. Sa Guam. Holy shit.
Meron daw cobra dyan eh. Hindi totoo yan. Bola lang yan.
Yung kuminsan sir yung kan, nangingitlog yan. Sugati, sugati, yung ahas dagat.
Ah, ganun?
Hindi, wow.
Oh, shoot. Dive. Ayan. Oh, that's Crocodile Island.
Why?
I look like a crocodile.
More like a turtle.
Yeah. Shit. Oh, okay. Look, so that's look, guys. Crocodile, kasi naman turtle. Kasi mukha nga naman siyang turtle, di ba? Serenia. So you're gonna see Nemo.
Nemo.
Yeah. So ito yung helmet diving. Sunod naman namin. Magkano to kuya usually? Magkano?
Permit mo?
Per head?
400 sir.
400. Yan. So 400 pesos per head kung mag-helmet diving kayo.
So you have 3 heads.
1, 2, 3.
Gago!
Pero kalokohan sa siglit eh. Yan. Yan. So ito yung helmet.
One eternity later.
So the most important sign language is this. Kneel down. You wanna practice? No, kneel down. Kneel down. Practice. What is this? Problem.
Problema.
What about this? Okay. How do you kneel? Kneel. Duhod.
For us.
I can go first. You go next. Okay.
Sir, English po ba siya?
Yeah.
Pag may patong na helmet, sir, bitaw ka na sad ka na.
Okay.
Baba ka ba, sir?
Baba. You're scared, but like there's fish biting my foot. Like, mga territorial fish. Dito nga ka ba? Territorial din nun. If you lock your finger, it will pretend it's closing, but it doesn't close all the way. That's why they want you to close.
Because it feels like weird inside. I was like,
I know, that's what we feel all the time. Vicious, huh? And then the guy was like, "Are you getting bit on the back?" And I put, "Yeah." But I don't understand what he wants. Like, are we staying down? But it's okay after a while. Like, that's cool, huh? Ayan. So we're here. It's an island. So dito usually kainan. Usually kainan dito ng mga baon na. So tsaka parang swim chill spot lang siya. It's only 39%. Yan. Luckily natuto na kumain ng siomai ito. Tapos buko juice. Oh, they have halo-halo. That's what I wanted. Meron pala dito bilihan din sa taas. So, yan. Wow nice naman! View. Wow! Wow! Hinahanap niya. Nakita na namin. Red horse.
oh, sarap.
Good. So sa kanila kasi may ganito rin, halo-halo. Raspado ang tawag sa kanila. Sa amin kasi iba yung raspad. It's different. Raspad is different.
Raspa is like cake. Like the...
Ano yung raspa sa atin? Akunan.
Ayan, yung parang sinishade niya yung ano niya. Kasi hindi tinatanggal yung mga
napahulog. Parang gano'n.
Eiffel Tower. Mini Eiffel Tower. See it?
Di, wow.
Low tide na daw, so hindi na pwede mag-jump clip, sayang. Marcos tayo. Ayan guys, dito sana maganda tumalon kaso low tide na. Go there. It's nice, huh?
Yeah, but smells bad.
That's the bat.
The poop.
Odor.
That's tight.
It's gonna rain though. You always wet. Ayan, so dito kami mag-snorkel tapos dito kami dito sa Pembrose. Ito pala yung Old Scout Island. Ganda.
Oh, laki
Oh, blackbird. The what? Tingnan ho, marami ng red horse. Ayan, nandito tayo sa Cuenco Cave. Ayan. So itong cave na to, alam ko mayroon ng jumping spot sa likod. May kainan na rin dito before. Kaso sarado na. So malas na Glenn. Ito inaabangan niya eh. Ito, I don't know kung makakatalon kami dito. Kung ano mataas kasi last time mababaw yung ano. Baka pwede. And it's not too high. So kaya-kaya na sila nito kasi mababa lang. Doable, right, Serenia? It's not that high.
It's not that high, but it's not deep.
No, you'll be good. This is deeper than last time. But we can snorkel here.
Here.
How deep? How deep?
Like what?
So it's like after right here.
After riding.
He didn't want to look. Dude, tsunami!
Dulu hasti, okay?
I'm gonna go first and then I'm gonna record you, okay?
Not a tsunami.
Did you reach the bottom? Takot ako makatumulis yung pakot bago nag-crash pala pa. Okay. Mainit ngayon? Ito, Ipangan Island. Dito na po kami mapapakarami. This is where we're gonna start the population.
You want to start it now?
Joke lang. She's taking it serious. Tagusan lang siya guys. Sa kabila yung sumigaw. So, did you enjoy 100 Islands? Excited siya. Nakadalawang red horse eh. Nakatalon na. So, kakain kami ulit dito sa Spotlight. Seafood kare-kare, tsaka she ordered chicken. Sweet and sour chicken. It's like you're close to the sea. Huh? And then chop suey for Glenn. Yeah.
She's
Excited.
ordering pork. Who's work?
Bring ako ya. Dami. Trying to catch it.
Are you sure?
Here, look.
Can you eat it?
No, but it's more nutritious though. Grabe yung service ni Kuya. Oh.